Everyone has heard the horror story. Your Toyota Hybrid hits a certain mileage. The battery dies, and suddenly you're staring down a repair bill so massive it feels like you'd be better off just buying a whole new car. $10,000, sometimes even more, depending on who you ask. It's the kind of story that gets repeated at dinner parties, in online forums, by that one coworker who swears his cousin's friend got burned. But here's the question nobody really stops to ask. Is any of that actually true anymore? Today, we're breaking down the real cost of replacing a Toyota hybrid battery, where this myth actually came from, what real owners are paying right now, and whether buying a used hybrid is still a smart move. And here's the surprising part, the one most people never expect. Most Toyota hybrid owners never actually pay for a battery replacement during the entire time they own the vehicle. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. So, where did this fear even come from? Rewind back to the early 2000s. Hybrid technology was brand new. The Prius had just landed. Nickel metal hydride packs were expensive to manufacture, and repair shops barely understood how to service them. A handful of owners really did get hit with massive bills. And the media loved that story. It was dramatic. It was scary. And it stuck. But technology moves fast. And the hybrid market has matured enormously since then. Manufacturing costs have dropped. Competition among suppliers has grown. Repair networks now know exactly what they're doing. Myths, though, they don't die as fast as the technology that created them, so that outdated horror story just kept getting passed around, long after it stopped being accurate. Here's where lifespan comes in. And honestly, it's not even the biggest surprise yet. Toyota built its hybrid system around durability from day one. We're talking about traction batteries that regularly last somewhere between 150,000 and 250,000 miles. In real-world terms, that's often 15 to 20 years of driving. Mileage alone doesn't even tell the whole story, because the hybrid system is managed by a computer that keeps the battery within a safe charge range, which dramatically reduces wear over time. That's actually one of the biggest reasons these packs outlast a lot of people's expectations. There are Prius models out there right now, still running on their original battery, well past 200,000 miles. In fact, the average hybrid owner will trade in or sell their car before that battery ever needs touching. So before we even get to cost, understand this. For the vast majority of drivers, replacement isn't some inevitable disaster. It's a maintenance milestone that happens much later than people assume, if it happens at all. But once you see what replacement actually costs, the entire myth starts falling apart. Let's break it down. A brand new battery straight from Toyota installed at the dealership. Typically $2,000 to $4,000, including labor, depending on the model. That's a real number, and it's nowhere close to $10,000. A refurbished pack, professionally reconditioned and tested, often $1,000 to $2,000. Go through an independent hybrid specialist instead of the dealership, and labor alone can drop significantly, since these shops handle exactly this kind of repair every day. Then there's the used battery route, sourced from salvage vehicles. That can bring the total under $1,000, though it comes with more variability in expected lifespan. Brand new, refurbished, independent shop, salvage unit, 4 very different price points, and not one of them looks anything like the number the internet keeps repeating. Of course, not every quote looks the same, and that's worth explaining. A few things really move the price. The model matters a lot. A Prius pack is generally cheaper to source than something like a RAV4 Hybrid or a Highlander Hybrid, simply because of size and system complexity. Model year matters too. Older packs can be harder to find, while newer lithium-ion systems behave differently than the older nickel-metal hydride units. Labor rates shift by region. And warranty coverage? Huge factor here. Toyota's hybrid battery warranty often runs 10 years, or 150,000 miles. In some states, even longer. A lot of owners never pay full price at all, because they're still inside that coverage window when an issue shows up. That's why two people can describe wildly different experiences with the exact same repair. But here's something a lot of people don't realize. And it changes everything. A warning light doesn't automatically mean the battery is dying. Hybrid systems are complex. Sometimes that check engine light traces back to a sensor, a cooling fan, or a software glitch, not the pack itself. That's why proper diagnosis matters before anyone assumes the worst. On top of that, simple preventive habits can meaningfully extend battery life. Keeping the cooling fan clean and unobstructed helps regulate temperature, one of the biggest factors in long-term health. Smooth, consistent driving tends to be gentler on the system than aggressive acceleration and hard braking. And when something does go wrong, replacing individual battery modules rather than the entire pack can sometimes be a cost-effective option. Though many specialists recommend it only as a temporary fix, since it doesn't always restore perfect balance across the whole system. So delaying or even avoiding a full replacement altogether is often more realistic than people assume. This brings us to one of the biggest fears out there. Is buying a used Toyota Hybrid actually a risky decision? Whether it's a used Prius, a RAV4 Hybrid, or a Camry Hybrid. Plenty of buyers walk away from a great deal simply because they're scared of the battery, but you can actually check its health before buying. Ask for maintenance records. Ask whether the system has ever thrown a diagnostic code. A hybrid specialist can run a quick inspection that tells you almost everything you need to know before you commit. And when a used hybrid checks out, it's often one of the smartest used car purchases available. Excellent fuel economy, lower brake wear, thanks to regenerative braking, and a drivetrain known for exceptional long-term reliability. So let's zoom out for a second, because that one repair everyone fears isn't the whole story. Yes, a battery replacement might happen once, maybe every 15 to 20 years. But during that time, hybrid owners are saving significantly on fuel, spending less on brakes, dealing with fewer major mechanical issues overall. Add up those savings across a decade or two of ownership. And that occasional expense starts to look a lot smaller by comparison. It's not that the repair doesn't matter, it's that it doesn't define the entire ownership experience, the way people assume it will. So let's bring this all together. The myth said a hybrid battery would bankrupt you. The evidence says something very different. Real replacement costs typically land in the low thousands. Not 5 figures. These packs routinely last well over a decade, often outliving other parts of the car entirely. Warranty coverage protects most owners during the exact year's replacement is most likely to matter, and buying used doesn't have to be a gamble. Not as long as you know what to check. The battery was never really the problem. The misinformation was. So next time you hear that old scary story, you'll know the real numbers, and you can make your decision based on facts, not fear.